Hello everybody, and this is test batch number 3 for the fragrance called Weather Turning. I'm going to use green oxide and green neon as my colorants. Both of them must be mixed very well, otherwise when you cut your soap you will have a lot of smeared spots. Also, for those of you who just got to this video, I have number 1 and number 2 video, and this is video number 3 about test batching. I have shown in the first video the process of making butter, but I did not give exact formula, but I gave percentage the oils I used here. I also decided to add a little bit extra superfat. And about fragrance again, so it's Weather Turning by Make Your Own Buzz. I'm also using as my third colorant titanium dioxide, which I premixed with oils. In conclusion, the fragrance behaved really well. The soap came out really easy out of mold next morning, and you can see the results at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.